Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. My name's Tracy and this is a really short little video because I was asked by a couple of people to show the Poundland yarn, how it makes the little flower. You've all seen the Poundland yarn in the giveaways, and it's the one that's got the little green and red bits in it. And the name of it escapes me. Hold on a moment, I'll just see if I can find it. All I can find is a label that says Magic Knit. Magic Knit. So it's a DK, and it is quite pretty colours. And for this, I'm making a Fiddle Muff or Twiddle Muff for my mother-in-law in hospital, and so I'm just starting it off with this. And I thought it'd be a good idea to show you how it makes the flowers. They're not absolutely perfect, but it has like a little green part, and then it makes a little pink bot. So I'm just doing, for now, this is just double crochet in UK terms, or single crochet in the US. So it's just they're very random. And they kind of just make this little flower with a little green and red bits. As I say, it's not perfect flowers, doesn't make a daisy or anything like that, but it just makes these kind of little flowers as you go. And I think as well it depends on the stitch. Now I've actually back to the start here, so I could change the stitch to see if that makes a difference. So we'll do 2 chain, and we'll do some treble crochets. Let's see if that makes much difference to the outcome of the flowers. Pull out some more yarn. There was some, don't understand why it was sticking. So if you're doing a treble crochet in UK terms or double crochet in the US, then that's how they come out. So I think it's probably better, by the looks of it, definitely is better with the double crochet. So we're going to go back to that because that didn't really look very good. Could try it with a half treble or half double to the US. That would probably be a bit better. See how they come out. But this is, I did say I was going to make this Twiddle Muff. They're meant to be good if you have dementia, because fingers do fiddle with things, and I think it keeps them occupied. So that's how it comes out with half treble. I think that so far it's come out the best with the double crochet. Although that's not too bad, is it? Can't really see much green coming out in this part. Still probably is better. I'm going to take it back and go back to the double crochet. So that's the kind of magic knit. I thought it was called Bloom. What do I know? They do different colours, not just this colour. There's an orangey one, and they all work very much the same way. And this Twiddle Muff, I'm going to, once I've done this part, I'm going to change it to a fluffy yarn, change the stitch, so it's all different textures and interesting things to fiddle with and touch, and just keep going until it's a fair size, big enough for hand to get into, and then take it down to the hospital for if she doesn't use it, it doesn't matter. But it's there if she does need it. So that is how it makes the little flowers. And some of them do actually look like little flowers, and others it's just more of a little blob, but they're not perfect. And it's probably better with knitting because the stitches are smaller, aren't they, and take up less space, so maybe they look more flower-like when they're knitted. But I've made a few things with this yarn. I made a mile a minute, and I must admit they did look like flowers on a mile a minute. I was quite impressed. But that was made with treble crochets. But that's it. So a few people asked me to do this just to show them what it's like, and well, I hope you enjoyed that. So I'm going to end it there because you don't really need to watch me make this whole Twiddle Muff. If it works out well, I may do a tutorial on it. But thanks very much for watching. If you haven't already, then hit on the subscribey doodad down this bit here somewhere. Oops, hello. It's not alcohol. So, thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.